Hi, we are SOS 110's obesity group for the spring 2018 semester at ASU, the Fat Fighters, made up of Michael Crockett, Colton Engel, Philip Kimsey, and Melissa Santella. As a group, we best define sustainability based on the definition provided by the American Society of Civil Engineers, which simply states sustainable development is the challenge of meeting human needs for natural resources, industrial products, energy, food, transportation, shelter, and effective waste management while conserving and protecting environmental quality and the natural resource base essential for future development. Taking this down even further, obesity is an important wicked problem because of how interconnected it is with our society and how it is silently driving so many unsustainable thoughts and practices. Through the de-evolution of our society from outdoor physical activity to indoor screen time, to the transportation spend of America to transport the excess food we think we need, to the new genetics we are beginning to see established through the generations of obese parents and children, and then finally to the outward policies and legislations our governments are enacting only to push us further into a more unsustainable future rather than a sustainable one. For these reasons, we, the Fat Fighters, are passionate and excited to be working on this topic together. Some of the strategies we've come up with as a group in order to achieve success in this course are: we've decided to use Dropbox and Microsoft applications in order to complete and share work together. We've decided for group meetings and communication as needed, we've used phone conferences and grouped text conversations through an app called Viber. Our assigned roles are Mike Crockett is our project manager, Melissa Santella is our lead researcher, Philip Kimsey, myself, is our lead editor, and Colton Engel will be our auxiliary member, helping out where as needed and when needed. We also, as a group, have decided that with our assigned roles and personal goals in mind for this class, we are going to trust that the other members of this group are working equally hard, taking ownership for their work, and will maintain open communication if any of us are needing help. Now let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Melissa Santella, and welcome to our team group video. I'm lead researcher, and I'm interested in the topic of obesity because I'm passionate about the food system. And I have a hunger, no pun intended, to learn more about the food industry. I don't want to just stop with my degree in sustainability, but I like to get my degree in nutrition. I feel strongly in the healing power of foods, and I want to be a change agent in my community by having a health and wellness center. Live green and eat clean. Our generation of today, unfortunately, our children are being widely affected by the epidemic of obesity, partially driven by the food industry. Data from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey of 2011 and 2014, the prevalence of obesity was over 36% for adults and 17% for children. From 1999 through 2014, obesity prevalence increased among the adults and the youth, according to the CDC. Some of the problems I will talk to you about here of obesity will be in my slides and my videos that I've composed. Enjoy them, and thanks for listening.
Hi there, my name is Philip Kimsey. I'm Team Abundance's lead editor. I'm from Omaha, Nebraska, and pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Sustainability here at ASU. I chose the topic of obesity because not only am I a health and fitness enthusiast, but also am a father of two with one on the way. And this is just a topic that is very close. I come in close contact with just about every day, and one that I feel very passionate about. I'm excited to work on Team Obesity with Mike, Melissa, and Colton, and just looking forward to continue to learn about these wicked problems and understanding how we can make our society as well as our food more sustainable.
Hi, I'm Colton Engel. I'm the auxiliary member for Team Fat Fighters. I'm kind of the catch-all. I do a little bit of everything and help everyone where they need help. I currently live in Denver, Colorado. I am currently pursuing a BS in sustainability. I am very interested in the obesity wicked problem because I enjoy a very healthy and active lifestyle. I'm also very interested in global health issues and problems that arise from obesity, as well as knowing people who are currently fighting the obesity epidemic. I'm very excited to work with everyone on the team and just say that we are the Team Fat Fighters. We are here to save our planet and the human race from obesity. So thank you.
Hi, this is Mike Crockett. I'm the project manager for Team Abundance, also known as the Fat Fighters. Our topic is obesity in the U.S., and I'm very thrilled to have an opportunity to work with the other teammates on researching and presenting our findings on how we can resolve and find ideas to create complex adaptive systems in our food chain, transportation, and related models to basically help the current generation and future generations of children, women, and men reduce the numbers of obesity in the populations here in the U.S. My wife and I, the past 5 years, had an organic home food garden. And we did a lot of research before we planted it. We looked at the soil, find out what we had to add to it. Did organic composting. We had some chickens, so we would do the chicken manure with the worm castings and the other types of things we did to prepare the soil, adding nitrogen in there. We also had a beehive because the first year nothing was pollinated, so we had to get a beehive. And then the following years, the yield was very good. We had everything, fruits and veggies, blackberries, table grapes, peppers, tomatoes, various squashes, lettuce, cucumbers, and a few other things. So what we hope to do in this class is to be successful in our research, collaborate, and learn how to apply these new processes and this new lens we're looking at. These first 2-3 units have had a lot of information on how the different systems work in the environment together, our natural systems, our human systems that impact that through economy, policy, and globalization. So we thank you for this opportunity, and we hope to put something very useful out there. Thank you. Hi, this
As you can see, the stakeholders involved are anywhere from the food industry to giant corporations, fast food companies, factory farming because you need the animal consumption, monocultural crops because that's what they feed the animals and that's what they raise them on, also because of food scarcity, big ag, big farm, healthcare system, the political system, and of course us as the consumer. The associated actions that fuel the issue more than the visual impacts and effects are corporate greed, high-cost insurance and healthcare premiums, misguided or confusing food labels, pushing of medicines and drugs, public relations, marketing, and advertising. The main drivers and the problems are advertising to children and exploiting them, targeting the school districts, high healthcare spending, our health system's broken, dependencies to medicines and drugs for a cure and easy fix, the number of people dying of chronic diseases, develop market products that will sell regardless of the nutritional value. And to satisfy stakeholders, food companies must convince people to eat more of their products or to eat their products instead of those of the competitors. As a community, we need to come together to create policies, lessen our dependencies on other countries, claim our independence from the industrial system, bring awareness to the power of nutrition, have access to affordable whole foods. We, the people, need to be empowered, as it is us, the consumer, that can bring change to the food system.